The automotive world is buzzing with excitement as Citroën makes a bold move by bringing back an icon, the 2CV, for 2026. That's right, the legendary Chevaux is reborn, and it's not just a nostalgic throwback. Citroën has managed to blend the charm of the original with modern technology, creating a car that speaks to both the heart and the mind. At first glance, the 2026 2CV immediately evokes memories of the post-war classic that once symbolized simplicity and practicality. The silhouette remains unmistakable with its rounded roofline, minimalist fenders, and exposed wheel arches. But look closer and you'll notice a contemporary twist. LED lighting signatures give it a fresh face. The materials are far more refined, and subtle aerodynamic tweaks help it slip through the air more efficiently. It's clear that Citroën wanted to respect the past while boldly stepping into the future. Under the skin, the new 2CV is a far cry from the air-cooled original. Citroën has gone fully electric for this rebirth, offering a small but capable motor paired with a battery pack that promises a real-world range of around 250 kilometers. This keeps it true to its roots as a lightweight, urban-friendly car, while also catering to modern expectations of zero emissions and low running costs. Charging is a breeze thanks to fast charging capability, and Citroën even offers a home wallbox setup to make daily use as easy as possible. But what's most impressive is how the engineers have kept the spirit of the 2CV intact. The ride is still soft and supple, soaking up bumps and potholes with ease, thanks to advanced suspension inspired by the original's unique setup. Whether you're navigating cobbled city streets or cruising down a country lane, the 2CV glides along with a comfort level that feels almost surreal for such a compact car. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that oozes personality. Citroën resisted the urge to overcomplicate the interior. Instead, they focused on what matters: space, simplicity, and clever use of materials. The seats, for example, are inspired by deck chairs, a playful nod to the past, but they're now made from recycled fabrics and offer surprising support. A single central screen handles infotainment, but most functions are managed through physical switches that feel tactile and satisfying to use. There's even an optional canvas roof that rolls back, letting you enjoy the open air just like in the original 2CV. Driving the 2026 2CV is a reminder that cars don't need to be fast or flashy to be fun. The instant torque of the electric motor makes city driving a joy, zipping away from traffic lights with ease. Its compact dimensions and feather-light steering mean it's perfectly suited to tight urban environments, slipping into parking spaces that would make SUV tremble. And yet, despite all the modern technology packed into it, the new 2CV remains remarkably affordable. Citroën's mission was clear: build a car that's accessible to everyone, just as the original 2CV was meant to be a car for the people. What's truly special about this car is how it makes you feel. It brings smiles wherever it goes, drawing admiration from those who remember the original and curiosity from those discovering the 2CV for the first time. It's not about luxury or status. It's about connection, charm, and the joy of simple, honest motoring. Citroën has captured that essence beautifully, creating a car that's as relevant today as it was over 70 years ago. The 2026 2CV isn't just a rebirth. It's proof that some ideas are truly timeless.